Using first names. A friendly approach in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English-speaking cultures, using first names. In many situations, using someone's first name is a sign of informality and closeness. But when is it appropriate? And how does it reflect the cultural norms of English-speaking societies? Let's find out. Remember, cultural understanding is key to mastering a language. First names, often called given names, are personal. In English-speaking cultures, they signify a level of comfort or familiarity between individuals. In many Western societies, particularly in the USA, Canada, and Australia, it's common to use first names even in professional settings. But why? 1. Breaking hierarchies. Using first names can break down formalities, making conversations feel more friendly and approachable. 2. Building relationships. It's often believed that using someone's first name can help in forging a closer bond, whether in personal or professional settings. So, you might be thinking, should I always use someone's first name? Well, it depends on the situation. 1. Friendly gatherings. At parties, social events, or casual meetings, it's common to introduce oneself using the first name. 2. Professional settings. In many workplaces, especially in creative and tech industries, colleagues often address each other by first names. However, for very formal professions or settings, like law or certain governmental roles, titles may still be preferred. 3. Ask for preference. If unsure, it's always polite to ask, "May I call you?" First name. This demonstrates respect and consideration. While using first names can be seen as friendly, there are moments of caution. 1. Cultural sensitivity. In many cultures outside of the Western world, addressing someone older or of higher status by their first name without permission can be seen as disrespectful. Always be aware of this when interacting with people from diverse backgrounds. 2. Overstepping boundaries. Especially when you're new in a setting, be it work or a social gathering, always gauge the atmosphere. If everyone's using titles, it might be a good idea to stick to that until you're more familiar with the group dynamics. And there we have it. Understanding when and how to use first names in English-speaking cultures can be a powerful tool in forming connections and navigating social situations. It's always about balance, being respectful, but also embracing the openness of many English-speaking societies. We hope you found this discussion enlightening. Remember, language isn't just about words, it's about understanding people and cultures. Until next time, happy learning!